Good morning, my dear student. In this video session, I will teach you algebraic expression. I am Ujjwal Kumar Dev. Today, here we try to understand algebraic expression. Right. In this session, student will learn algebraic expression, terms, like terms, unlike terms, coefficient, and you also learn about monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial in one variable, right? And we also learn here the addition of algebraic expression, subtraction, simplification, multiplication and division, and regarding some problem that we solve in this video session. Okay, I hope you will be enjoy this class. So student, let's start to understand the algebraic expression. First of all, we understand what is actual the algebraic expression. Suppose here I write 2x plus 5. It is an algebraic expression. Right, when we write 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, then it is called the algebraic equation. Right, student? So, a algebraic expression is a collection of one or more terms combined together by a fundamental operation. Plus or minus is known as an algebraic expression. Here, 2x plus 5 is an algebraic expression. Right? So, 2x and 5 are two terms. Right? Or 3ab plus 5 root c. There are two terms, namely 3ab and 5 root c. Right. Now, here the x is a variable. Variable means a symbol which takes various numerical values is known as variable. Right. That means it is not a fixed value are there. Changeable. Suppose x, a, b, c and all the alphabet we set to be a variable or we use as a variable. Right. Now this 5 or any kind of number, we can say that constant. That means its value always fixed. That is why we say a constant. That means a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Right? Suppose another example is here. The perimeter P of a square of side S is given by the formula P is equal to 4 into S. Therefore is a constant while P and S are variables. Right, student? Another like the circumference C of a circle of radius r is given by the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. Here 2 and pi are constant. Okay. And while C and r are variables. Right, student? Now, if I define that term, like a term is a constant or a variable or a combination of both connected by the multiplication or division. For example, here 2x plus 5. Right. So 2x is a term and 5 also is a term. Here 6, 13ab and 8a by 6y are terms. Right. Now here the like terms and the unlike terms. I will explain with the example when I solve the equation or solve the problem. Okay. So here I just tell you what is their actual definition and how to identify. Okay, like terms. The terms having the same literal factors are known as like term. For example, 8ab and minus 11ab, they are both like terms. And another 5x square y and 15x square y, it also a like term. Now the unlike terms. Unlike terms, the terms with different literal factor are known as unlike terms. For example, xy and 2x both are unlike terms, and 3a square b and 3ab square. Okay, so these are both unlike terms. Now here the question, what is coefficient? Here I write 5xy or 5x. So 5xy. Okay, so 5 here coefficient, like any factors in a term is known as the coefficient of the product of the remaining factors. For example, in the terms p square q, the coefficient here p square, and coefficient of q is equal to p square. Now dear student, here we try to understand the various type of algebraic expression. Number 1, monomials. Mono means one, nomials means the terms. An algebraic expression contains only one term is called a monomials. Thus 5x, 2xy, minus 3a square b, minus 7, etc. are all the monomials. Now number 2, binomials. Bi means the two, nomials means terms. Here an algebraic expression containing two terms is called a binomials. Thus here 2a plus 3b, 8 minus 3x, x square minus 4xy square, etc. are all binomials. Number 3, the trinomials. Tri means three and nomials means, as you know, the terms, right? So an algebraic expression containing three terms is called a trinomials. Thus a plus 2b plus 5c is a three terms here, and x plus 2y minus 3z and xq minus yq minus zq and x plus y plus z and a plus b plus c, etc. are all the trinomials. Now number 4 is quadrinomials. Quadri means 4 here, and nomials means, as you know, the terms. So an algebraic expression containing 4 terms is called a quadrinomial, right? So here x plus y plus z minus 5, x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz, etc. are all the quadrinomials. Now polynomials. Number 5, polynomials. Poly means many or more. An expression containing 2 or more terms is called a polynomials, right? So x plus y plus z plus p plus q is a polynomial terms. Okay, x plus y plus z minus 5xy minus 2z is a polynomial. You should remember, without monomials up to binomial to quadrinomials, they are considered as a polynomials. As you know the definition of the polynomials, an expression containing 2 or more terms. So two binomials have 2 terms, trinomial have also 2 or 3 terms, and quadrinomials are 4 terms. So they are considered as a polynomials. Right, student? I hope you clearly understand. Good morning, my dear student. Now we try to solve the problem regarding this chapter, right? Here 2x plus 5. Okay, simple way you understand that here 2 is a coefficient, right? X is a variable, okay, that means it is not a fixed value. Not X is a use as a variable. We another alphabet use here, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. These are the variable. That means they have no fixed value. And 5 is a constant here. Constant. That means fixed value is there. Right, student? Okay. Now, here we already learned the monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay. Here given the numerical coefficient of the following terms. Okay, like number 1 is there 5x. So 5 is the coefficient terms, numerical coefficient. Here the numerical coefficient means the 5 is the numerical coefficient. So we write there numerical coefficient is equal to 5 here, right? Now another here 6, number 2 6xy. So 5 here the 6 numerical coefficient is equal to 6 here, right, student? Okay. Now another is there 7, number 3 7abc. 7abc. Here 7 numerical coefficient is equal to 7. Okay, student. Now next, number 1 3pqr. Okay, as you know it is a single term. Okay, it is a single term, so it is called a monomial. Monomials, right? Now here number 2 is given 2m plus 5n. Okay, so it is two terms, one terms here and another two terms, so it is binomials, right? Another is given here number 3 8x plus 3y minus 7z. So how many terms are there? Tell me. So 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So we say that trinomials, right? Trinomials. Another number 4 is here. Tell me this one. A plus B plus C plus D. It is the 4 terms is there, right? So it is a quadrinomials, right? So it is the quadrinomials. So we already told you that without monomials, binomials, trinomials, quadrinomials, they are all considered as a polynomial, right, student? Hope you clearly understood. Hello student, here given identify like terms and unlike terms, right? We already learned a term is a constant or a variable or a combination of both connected by multiplication or division, right? This is the terms. Now here the like terms, find the like terms. So here we write the like terms. Here 3xy minus 2xy, right? And minus 5 xy and 8xy. Okay, here all these are like terms, right? Now another is y, 7y, okay, 7y minus 6y, these are the like terms. Now here x comma 7x comma minus 5x and 2x, these are the like term, right student? You clearly understand? Now my dear student, here we find out the unlike terms. Suppose here 3xy and 5x square y, these are both unlike terms, right? 5z, 5x, 5y, 5m, these are the unlike terms, right? Now here suppose given 3x square y, okay, and 4yx square, right? So this is 3x square y, and if I arrange 4x square y, then it became a like term, right? Now in case x, y, z, these are in multiply connected by the multiplication, then we can also write z, y, x. What we can also write y, x, z, right? But remember, when they are in multiplication, okay, then we write this like way. Okay, I hope you understand. Here, my dear student, given a problem for the algebraic expression 4x to the power 4 minus x cube plus 3x square minus x by 5 minus 9 by 11, right? So answer the following. Number one question is, how many terms are there in the given expression? Okay, so if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so number A answer is 5 terms are there, right? Okay student. Now next question, number B questions here, which is the constant terms? Here only the numerical value 9 by 11 is a constant terms, right? Okay. Now number C question is here, what are the coefficient of x to the power 4 comma x cube and x square? So the coefficient of x to the power 4 is equal to 4 here, x cube is equal to 1 here, and another is x square. What is the coefficient? There is 3, right? So x to the power 4 coefficient is 4, x to the power cube coefficient is 1, and x to the power 2 coefficient is 3, right? Now another question is here given, number D. Number D is given here, what is the degree of the given polynomial? Okay, so here we consider only the highest degree, x to the power 4. So here the degree of given polynomial is degree, the given polynomial is 4. Okay, my dear student, here we understand how to add the algebraic terms or expression. Right, here given, suppose number 1 6pq and 9pq. You should remember addition and subtraction occurs only the like terms, right? So here we write like a 6pq and 9pq. So easy that we add simple addition like that. Okay, so 6 and 9, this is a 15pq. So answer is 15pq is the addition. Okay, in the another case, suppose here given 5x and plus 5z, it also be add, but here we expression do like that 5x plus 5z. This is the answer that we taken from this addition, right? Now another is given here, suppose here given 1 by 3 x y z and 3 by 5 x y z and minus 2 xy, right? Now this one add. How to solve this problem? So we write here is equal to addition, that means 1 by 3 xy z plus 3 by 5 xyz, and this one plus minus 2 xyz. So here this way we represent. Okay, now we write here 1 by 3 xyz plus 3 by 5 xyz minus 2 xyz, right? Take LCM of 3 5, that means 15 is the LCM of the given number. So 15, now there will be this one 5 1 to 5, that means 5 xyz plus 3 9 xyz and minus 30 xyz, right? Now here we calculation, this one addition and this one subtraction. So this one 14 xyz minus 30 xyz divided by 15, it will be become minus 16 xyz divided by 15, right? So this is the answer. This is the way we add these terms or algebraic expression, right? Hope you well understand. Now my dear student, here we solve this addition. Okay, so how to solve this addition? Let's try. Here suppose here given 11c and 3c both are in addition, right? So this one 14 and subtract 2, that means it will become the 12c. Which sign we given? Because the plus sign is more value is there, so here we take plus sign, right? Now another is both are in borrowed, that means negative sign is there, right? So here minus 19b and minus 5b both are add, but sign we take minus, right? So this one 14. Now this one, suppose you borrowed 14 rupees from your father, now you given 8 rupees. Now how much will remaining the borrowed? So here only the 14 minus 8, that means it will become minus 6v, right? Now this one addition, that means 20 and subtract minus 8m, so this one it will become plus 12 a. So answer will become 12a minus 6b plus 12c. Right? Now another problem is here. Same problem we solve here. How to solve this problem? Let's try. This one 3y square plus 3y square and 5y square, both are in addition. Okay, this one became 8y square. Now 9 is subtracted here. Okay, so it will become, because the minus sign is more than plus sign, so here we write minus only y square. Right? Now all are borrowed, that means negative sign is there. Right? So 7 rupees borrowed, 6 rupees borrowed and 7 rupees borrowed. Okay, so all together borrowed is 7 and 6 13 20. Right? So we take minus sign, so here 20 xy. Right? Now this one both are plus sign. Right? So this one 18 8 and 8 16 x square. Now we take 2x square, then it will become plus 14 x square. Right? So answer will become 14 x square minus 20 xy minus y square. Right? I hope you understand well. Hello my dear student, here we learn how to subtract between two terms, okay, or expression. Suppose here given number 1, the solution is here minus 9ab and 5ab. Now here given plus sign, so without any hesitation we write here minus sign. We take the opposite sign here. Right? Opposite sign, then it covered by bracket. Right? Now we solve this one. So this one minus and this one minus, the minus these terms are add and sign will comes minus. So this one became minus 14ab. So answer is here, answer it will become minus 14ab. Right? Now if I do the another way, like this way we solve this math, minus, suppose minus 9ab minus and 5ab. Right? So here plus sign is there, so we take bracket. Now it will become minus 9ab and minus and plus became minus, so 5ab. So both are the minus term, so we write here minus 14ab. This is the answer. Right? So these two methods that we apply to solve this subtraction. Right? Now the another problem is here given minus number 2 minus 8xy, okay, and minus 10xy. We take bracket. Now it will become minus 8xy minus plus 10xy. Which sign is more value? There, plus 10. So we subtract 8 from 10, then it will become plus 2xy. That means answer. This is the answer. Right? Okay student. Now next here minus 3 is given here. Here given 3x minus 5y, 3x minus 5y, and another is 2x minus y, 2x minus y. Right? So without any hesitation, just we change the we take the opposite sign. Here it will become minus and here it will become plus. Right? Now plus y subtract from minus y, so it will become minus 4y, and this one minus 2x subtract from 3x, so it will become x. So answer will be x minus 4y. Now we horizontal method we apply here, that it also easily solve this math. So 3x minus 5y, now minus 2x minus y we take in bracket. Now we write here 3x minus 5y minus 2x minus minus plus y, right? And it will become, we can this one 2x and this one like terms we subtract, became x, and this one minus 5y plus y, so it will become minus 4y. So this is the answer, right? Another problem is here also given, like number 4 is here given. 4 is given 2 ABC from 3 minus 10 ABC. So we write first 3 minus 10 ABC and subtract 2 ABC minus 2 ABC, right? Here plus sign it became minus, so it will became 3 minus this one 12 ABC, right? I hope student you understand very well. Now my dear student, here we solve some simplification. Okay, so it is very easy that we solve here. We already learned addition, subtraction, right? Now here given number 1 is 12a minus 15a plus 14a minus 17a, right? So we first arrange the addition terms. So here 12a is the addition terms and plus 14a. Now minus 15a minus 17a, we take bracket, it became plus, right? Now here this one it will become 26a minus this one 12 and 30a, right? So now this one will became 6a, right? So answer is here 6a, right? Now number 2 is given here. 10ab minus 12ab minus 16ab plus 25ab, right? Okay student, now we solve this problem here. Let's see this one. So we arrange the all plus all together, 10ab plus 25ab minus 12ab minus 16ab, right? Now here we take bracket, it became plus, then this one plus, so this one 35ab minus this one 28ab. Now this one became 7ab. So answer is here 7ab. So easy to solve this simplification, right? You already learned that numerical simplification, same way that we solve this numerical simplification. That means we followed the BODMAS rule, BODMAS. That means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right student? Now number 3 problem is given here. We solve here. Number 3 problem is x minus in bracket 2x minus 3y. First we write here, we multiply this minus with this expression, x minus 2x minus plus 3y. Okay, so these are like terms, so we solve this, it will become minus x plus 3y. So answer, right? This is the answer. Okay, now next one we solve here. Number 4. Number 4 is given here. Number 4 is given here. Number 4, we write number 4, 5 into x plus y minus 2 into x minus y. Simple way, we remove the bracket and simplify this one. 5x, multiply this one, 5x plus 5y. Okay, now minus 2x, this one minus plus 2y. So this is the like term, this is the like terms. We solve this 5x and 5x minus 2x, we arrange themselves, plus 5y minus 2y. So it will become 3x plus this one became 7y. This is the answer, right? I hope you understand very well, right student? Okay, next one is here given. Next one is given number 5. Okay, 5 is given here. 5 is given here. Number 5, 5x minus 2y in bracket minus 2x minus 3y plus 2, right? Now we remove the bracket and arrange themselves like 5x minus 2y minus 2x minus plus 3y minus 2. Now these are like terms, these are like terms. So we write here 5x minus 2x minus 2y plus 3y minus 2. So we write here 3x minus this one, it will become plus y minus 2. This is the answer. Hope you understand very well, right student? Now next one is given here. Next one is given here. Next one is this one became this one 5 6, right? 6, we write here first a plus 3a minus 2b plus 3a minus in bracket a minus 2b a minus 2b, first bracket, curly bracket and third bracket, right? Okay, now we solve this problem. Okay student, now how to solve this problem? So first we write a plus third bracket 3a minus 3a minus 2b plus 3a minus a plus 2b, curly bracket, this one. Now it will become a and this one 3a minus 2a 3a minus a equal to 2a and this one plus 4b, right? Now it will become this one will come, right? a plus 3a minus 2a minus 4b. We remove the curly bracket. Now it will become this one a minus 4b, right? Now remove the third bracket, a plus a minus 4b, that means 2a minus 4b, right? That means we take 2 common both in both terms, a minus 2b. This is the answer, right student? Hope you understand very well. Now student, here we learn the multiplication, right? So for any two variables a and b, their product is a into b, which is written as AB. For any three variable A, B and C, multiplication of variables are the following properties given below. AB is equal to, here we can write AB number A, AB is equal to BA, right? Or B, A into BC, we can write AB A into 0. That means 0 into A, right? Or we can write this one, D A into 1, it will become 1 into A is equal to A. Or we can also write the number E, A into B plus C. Or we can write here A into B plus A into C, right? So here it will become AB plus AC, right? Now the multiplication of the monomial, here the product of two or more monomials is a monomial whose numerical coefficient is equal to the product of the numerical coefficient of the given monomials, right? And the lateral coefficient is the product of the lateral coefficient of the given monomials, right? So therefore we write the product of monomials is equal to product of the numerical coefficient into product of the lateral coefficient, right? Suppose we understand by the example, right? So here suppose 5x plus 4y, right? So first we write the product of numerical or coefficient value 5 into 4, right? Then we write this one multiplication, right? This one multiplication 5x into 4y, 4 into 5 into 4, and then we write into x into y, right? Then it will become this one 20 xy, right? This is the answer. Okay, now another that we solve the another example, like here another example, like suppose v minus 2a into 5a square b square, right? First we write the product of numerical or coefficient 2 into 5, right? And into a into a square and b square. Now here minus 10, this is the part 1, so it will become into a 1 plus 2 into b square. It will become minus 10 a cube b square. This is the answer, right student? Now next one, we solve this another problem regarding this multiplication. Now student, here multiply number 1, so 9a by 3. So here we write here 9a into 3, right? So it will become 9 into 3 into a, it will become 27a. This is the answer, right? Now number 2 is here minus 4x square by 3. So here we write minus 4x square into 3. So here minus 4 into 3, this one, and into x square. It will become minus 12x square. This is the answer, right? Number 3 is here. suppose 3ab by minus 3a square. So we write here 3ab into minus 3a square. So we write first the multiplication of coefficient into minus 3, right? Then we write ab into a square. So it will become this one minus 9a1 plus 2 into b, it will become minus a 9aq b. This is the answer. Okay. Right. So here given 8x square by 4x square, right? So here we write the 8x square into 4x square. So we first multiply the numerical value or the coefficient, then we multiply the variable, right? So this one 32. So x2 plus 2, this is the power when the multiply the same base are there, their power will be add, then 32 x to the power 4. This is the answer, right? Now another problem here 5, then we complete the multiplication, right? So here 3x multiply with 2x square plus 5xy, right? First we multiply this one 3 into 2, okay, x square into x square plus 3 into 5 x into xy, right? So here we write this one, this one 6x square plus 15, this one x and x square and y. So it will become, we take the 3 common in both terms, 3x square, then it will become 2 plus 5y, right? This is the answer. Hope you understand very well, right students? So please like, share, and those who are newcomer in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Okay, my dear student, now we learn the division, right? So division of a polynomial by a polynomial. To divide a polynomial by a polynomial, following the step given below is here, right? Number 1 step, write the dividend and the divisor is descending order of power of the variables. Number 2, the rules is here, divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor, to get the first term of the quotient. Now number 3 rules is here, multiply these terms of the quotient by each term of the divisor and subtract the product from the dividend. Now number 4 rule is here, the remainder obtained after subtract is new dividend. Divide the first term of the new dividend, right? And by the first term of the divisor and write the result of the division as the second term of the quotient, right student? Number 5 rules is here, continue this process till the remainder is 0 or a polynomial of degree lower than that of the divisor. We can verify the result of the division by using the formula. As we know, the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Now we understand these rules, the division of a polynomial by a polynomial with example, right? Here given example like that, here divide x square, number 1 x square minus 75 plus 10x by x minus 5, right? And verify the result and verify the result. Okay, so as normal the division is occurred like this way. First we do like this way. Now it will become, so this one x square plus 10x, that means we add it, and minus 75 divided by x minus 5, right? So how to solve this problem? So easy that we solve this problem here. So first we take x, multiply with x, so this one x square and this one x here, minus 5x. Now here plus, here became minus sign, and this one plus sign. Now minus and plus cancel, it will become plus 15x minus 75, right? Okay, now we take plus 15, it will become this one 15 plus 15x and this one minus 75, right? Now changing the sign, it will become minus and this one became plus, so this one cancel and this one cancel, it will become 0, right? Okay, now we check the result. So as you know student, here divisor is into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so we write here x minus 5 into x plus 15 plus 0. Now we multiply this one, it will become x into x plus 15 minus 5 into x plus 15, right? And it will become x square plus 15x minus 5x minus 75. That means it will become x square plus 10x minus 75. Okay, so this is equal to dividend. Here we checked and verify. Hope you clearly understood, right student? Here the another example that we understand the division method very clearly. Okay, so first we arrange the expression 2p square minus 10p minus 14, right, divided by p minus 4, right student? Now we solve this problem and then verify, right? So here first we take 2p to cancel the 2p square, 2p multiply this one 2p square minus 8p, right? Now changing the sign, here became minus, this one plus, so this one cancel and it will become the plus 8 minus 2p minus 14, right? Now we take minus 3 here, so this one minus here 2, we take minus 2. Okay, it will become minus 2p and this one became minus plus 8. Okay, so we can write this one plus sign, this one minus sign, so it will become cancel and it will become minus 22, right? So here the verification is write this way. So we, as you know, the divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Now put the value here. So divisor is here p minus 4 and into the quotient 2p minus 2 and remainder minus 22, right student? Now solve this problem. Here the p into 2p minus 2 minus 4 into this one 2p minus 2 minus 22. Now this one 2p square minus 2p minus 8p minus plus, and this one became 8 minus 22. So it will become 2p square, this one minus 10p. Now this one became minus 14. Okay, is equal to dividend, right? Dividend. Okay, so student, I hope you clearly understood, and another session we take the lot of problem and solve this problem. So share this video with your friend, subscribe my channel, like, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Hope you enjoy this class. Thank you for watching.